Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I am sorry that I am late. My apologies. My charts were frozen. So I was trying to fix them. Right now, I'm trying to look to see if I missed any trades, which it doesn't really look. Oh, no, I did miss one. Looks like I only missed one trade while it was frozen, so I guess maybe that's a good thing, but and actually, let's see. Actually, no, I don't think I missed any trades. Oh no, yes, I did miss one. Missed one, but it's all good. I did take one trade, which you could see that I did lose, but it actually was my fault because I wasn't paying attention to the area of where the trade was. So I took this sell right here. This was one of my trying to get into the start of a new trend. However, my trend bias was a sell at the time. My major level was down here somewhere. And whenever I take this kind of trade, so I'll just move this. So let's say my major level was down here. So it's obviously above the major level. So it's trying to start an uptrend, right? So whenever I have these types of trades, I can't take them when they're in a certain area. So because it was a downtrend bias, I can't take it above the major level. Same thing if the trend bias was an uptrend at the time, I can't take the attempt to start a new trend below that major level. So that kind of was my fault. That's just a rule that I just honestly just was mindlessly forgot about it. But aside from that, I'm pretty sure that's the only setup I had, except maybe let's see, where is it? I feel like this trade right here, yeah, it's this trade that I think would have ended up being a valid buy, but I won't really know until later on today. Why can't I? Something's off because is it local or something? For some reason, as I'm moving, I think my cursor on the chart that I actually execute trades on, I feel like it's on local, but for whatever reason, I can't see the freaking toolbar. And I think it's because this thing is on. All right, so this is what I'm gonna have to do. I think it's just so freaking frustrating. I need to reach out to him to see, is he gonna update this so that the damn toolbar can come back. I don't have that toolbar up there. I don't have that on my chart that I trade on because of the trade copier or the chart trader. I don't know why he does that, but it's very annoying. Anyway, all right, so good morning, Rio. Good morning, Amelia. Online safety. I'm a thirst trap. Good morning. Good morning, Janelle. Good morning, Trenches. But yeah, so not very many trades today. I did take a little bit of time yesterday just to start the back test for the week of, I think it was April 21st, since that is the week before FOMC. I wanted to see, if I tested a week where there would be significantly more trades, how that would end up turning out. And I only got through Monday before I just got so tired that I lay down. But I already noticed a couple of things that I wanted to kind of bring forth from my previous way that I was trading, bring it forth to this. still not going to overcomplicate things. It's just like little minor things like paying attention to how the entry bar reacts off of the minor level, still wanting it to wick through and not have the minor level go through the body of the candle. You know, just little things like that I want to still do. Trying to think if there's anything else. So April 22nd, there were divergence trades that I didn't take based off of my previous setup, but I would have based off of the point of control type of way that I'm trying to trade right now. And I did realize that when it comes to divergence, I either want it to be reacting at a level or I want the previous bar to be reacting on a level. So like this divergence, for instance, of course, it would be reacting off of the overnight low or the VWAP. If the divergence is not reacting off of anything, it's just kind of in la-la land, I want this bar to be reacting off of anything. So what it could not be is like the reversal bar up happened right here and then a reversal bar down kind of happened in the same area, because both of them are in la-la land. It needs to be reacting off of something. So that's something that I picked up on immediately. And then, so I basically kind of combined the data from the week of back testing that I had already did over the weekend, the date of the 22nd, since I did complete that day yesterday, and then yesterday's data. I just kind of combined it to just kind of see preliminary what any adjustments that I want to make. But like I told you guys, I can already tell that most adjustments are going to be pretty minor anyway. But yeah, off the rip, I noticed those things. And then I also noticed that I'm probably not going to trade my alternate pullback, which is when it starts with like a lower low to a higher high to a higher low. I don't really know if I want to trade that, because just in those 7 days worth of data, it was pretty much break even. It set up 7 times and it was 3 wins, 2 losses, and 2 break evens. So yeah, I don't think that I'm going to trade that at all, which that particular pullback happens often, but I just don't know if I like it. At least not going in the direction of the trend. Now, if I'm trying to do it in a way like this type of trade where I'm trying to start a new trend going in the opposite direction of the overall trend bias, that's fine so far, which it makes sense, because if we're starting with a lower low and going to a higher high and a higher low, that's the reason why I call it an alternate pullback, is because it's literally a change of direction. For, you know, when it comes to the minor trend changed temporarily. That's why it created a lower low in the process of continuing the trend. So that's why I like the way that my brain works. I think it's probably going to end up being better to do the start of the new trend, but not continuing in the trend direction. Now, I'm not looking for a divergence sell right now, just because we did push up right here off of the trend bias zone. So I'm not going to take the divergence sell. I'm just looking for the pullback for the buy. And I forgot to rebuild in all of this. I kind of forgot to do a couple of things, but it's all good. But yeah. So those are just a couple of things that I've learned so far. Like I said, I'm still trading the same way. I'm just making it way less complicated. And I really think that I am going to like this a whole lot better. But I will say that in those 8 days of data that I have so far, there are, and this is why I wanted to change it, because last week there were not a lot of setups trading the way that I typically trade. But trading this new way, I'll tell you guys how many trades I would have gotten so far in just those 7 days. Let's see, 14, 16, 17. If I take the alternate out, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to trade that one, 3, 11, 7, 10, 4, 8, 9. So I'd have like 146 trades in that time period, which is a lot, but that's what I prefer. I told you guys the whole point of scalping is to be able to get a bunch of trades in a short period of time. I don't like trading for a week and only having 20 setups. Like, that's insane to me. That defeats the purpose of scalping. You know what I mean? So let's see. So it would be 146 trades. And I'll tell you guys so far what the win-loss ratio would be. 2, 4, 14, 9, 6, 9. Is it 146? Hold on, I don't think I can count. Wait a minute. 12, 14, 15, plus 2, 3, 11, 17, 4. Oh, I can't count, y'all. What the hell am I talking about? 4, 7, 10. I must have like not pressed enter on one of these. 2. Okay, not 146. My ass can't count. 56. So 12, 14, 9. There would be 56 trades, 44 wins, 2, 3, 4 losses, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 break evens, and 1 trade where it take profit before it hits the entry. Not too shabby. But 56 trades in 7 days that's kind of average for me. Like, I want to average between 7 to 10 trades a day. Sometimes it's going to be more and that's fine, but I just kind of want that to be the average because I just can't sit here for 2.5 hours taking 2 trades. I can't. Good morning, Apple Jacks. Moved my stop loss too soon, then it went to my target. What made you move your stop loss too soon? And actually, I can't take this pullback. We'll be going back towards the resistance level there. So I'm going to go use the bathroom real quick and I'll be right back. the heck is going on? Sorry, y'all. I gotta figure out how to get this thing back off of local. It was moving quick, so I thought, oh, it's about to go, but then it came back. I got you. So do you have specific parameters for breaking even, like maybe breaking even when you're a certain percentage to your take profit? So like how I auto break even 16 ticks in because I'm only going for 18. Do you ever do that, or do you like break even? Let's say if you're in a buy and you're coming close to a resistance level that you might deem as weak, do you move to a break even? Do you have certain parameters, or is it kind of like based off of how you feel about the trade? I think I need to. Oh, that's why, because it's on 2. Okay, that's fine, but how the do I get the toolbar back? Oh, crosshair. Boom. Global. Okay, there we go. I forgot you can right click and get the crossbar. All right. Oh, it changed. I am possibly looking for the buy right here. The point of control keeps changing, so let's see. Close. Alright, so it didn't close there. But yeah, I'm hoping that it doesn't take me long to make whatever little minor tweaks that I want to make, which would just be making things just a little bit more strict. I wouldn't say super strict because it's definitely not going to be as strict as my previous way that I was trading. But I'm also not trying to be loose as hell and just be losing a bunch of trades because I have no rules, you know? So, but I don't think it's going to be too many adjustments that I'm going to have to make though. So that's good. Certain parameters, a certain number of handles, and I'll move to B or enough to cover commissions. Got you, I got you. As long as the point of control stays above 42.50, I'm going to enter the buy. All right, which we just did. Just see if we can push up though. Why do I have no sound? Oh, maybe my sound is off. Duh. Oh, that's another thing. I got to put my alerts back on too. My reversal bar alerts. Oh wait, you guys can't. What the hell? All right. Oh, it did show up over there. I saw. All right, let me try to make my alerts real quick. Buy reversal. Bar close. Oh, okay, that chart isn't frozen. It's just my chart that is. I just need to do this real quick. All right. Question is, do I remember how? It's greater than equals to. I did this so long ago. All right, and then open. And then I just need the sound. No, not announcement. Alert 4. Copy. Oh, wait. Rearm. Pretty sure on bar close. Okay. Sell, reversal. Greater. Okay. Once this reversal bar paints, then I'll know if I set it up right. I set up my alert so long ago, I kind of forgot how to do it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so my trend bias right now is an uptrend, and that's why I took this divergence buy, which is kind of just a little pullback into the zone, into the levels. Now, what I really want to see is either we need to, and actually I wouldn't even be able to get into that. So we need to either create some structure below 736.25, or we need to push back up above these rotation levels and really above, more so towards the overnight high for me to be able to take the next trade. Y'all, today was my nephew's kindergarten graduation and I forgot. I was texted at 9:06 saying, hey, If anybody's coming to the graduation, here's the address. No, actually, oh no, he texts at 8:44. So I probably could have had a little bit of time, but it's like 30 minutes away. So by the time I would have gotten ready and everything, I was not going to make it. I wasn't, but I didn't actually see the text until 9:06. That's when I saw the text. So, yeah. And we were told about it. When was that? We were told about it basically too long ago. April 28th. I don't remember what I had for dinner yesterday. I definitely don't remember being told anything on April 28th. And I probably should have put it in my calendar, but I'm not one of those people who uses a calendar. Like certain things, I'm so used to, for instance, with my niece's first t-ball game, my aunt asked me, "You going to her first t-ball game tomorrow?" So stuff like that, like I just need a little reminder because my brain does not compute. Okay, but it is what it is. I'll probably go buy him some balloons or something and get him a little gift and take it over there today to celebrate, since I couldn't be there in person. But I just genuinely forgot. And I've been discombobulated really all morning. I woke up like 4 different times last night, so I didn't get very good sleep at all. Then I get on the charts and I'm trying to figure out like why the hell is my charts taking so long to load. Totally forgot that yesterday I ended up turning the tick replay data on my chart that I used to enter, and I only did that because so I only did that because I think yesterday I had to reload my charts, and so the only way for me to see the zigzag properly without allowing it to take a couple of swings first is to just turn the tick replay data on. The problem is when you close the program and you reopen it and it has to load all of the 7 days worth of data, indicators, all of that, and you have the tick replay data on, it's fine if you're not on the current day. But when you're on the current day, it causes so many issues with NinjaTrader. So yeah, that's why my charts were, and I was confused, like, why are my charts stuck? But then I looked in the left upper corner of the chart and I saw loading tick replay. I said, oh my gosh, why did I do that? As a matter of fact, let me go and save this. But yeah, so that was kind of my fault. And now actually I do need to go through and fix my accounts dashboard because the numbers are not correct since I didn't save that. $47.5. $777.95. And 22. I gotta fix the trail and drawdown in the accounts, the risk manager thing that I use. All right, so $714.71. Alright, that should fix it, I think. Okay, maybe not. Oh, I'm slow. No, that should be right. Am I tripping? Oh, no, that is right. I'm looking at the wrong thing like a goofy. Okay, I did it right. I was looking at my net liquidation instead of the auto liquidate. Duh. Alright, so that's fixed now. Now I should be good. I'm just looking at since we're approaching a new high right now, I'm kind of looking to see. I already told you guys yesterday that I kind of, right now at least, I don't want to take trades off of the new session high, at least not for the moment. Well, not with my regular divergence. This will be an alternate divergence, so it'll be a little bit different, but it only set up once last week. So I might take it if that's how it sets up, but if it's the regular divergence off a new high, I'm not going to. So we'll see. We'll see how price reacts here. All right, that's fixed, and then I want to open up a 5-minute chart. Actually, wait, before I do that, save this. It's default. All right, and now I can open up a 5-minute chart. All right. When does the 90% end? Oh, it already ended? Jeez. I told y'all I don't pay attention to anything. All right, so now I guess it's back to the 80% one day pass. Matter of fact, I can switch that real quick. There it is. All right, we're getting some pretty heavy resistance. We do have the major resistance level right here, which if this bar closes, it will close below it. We just hit the overnight high. We got a new session high right here. So just reaching a heavy level of resistance, which is to be expected. So we'll see what kind of structure we can create. Hopefully we don't start consolidating inside of the overnight zone, but we'll see, I guess. I'm starting to feel like I don't really need my minor level to be there anymore. I would still need the... Do I have it on over there? I feel like I don't need this level anymore at all. I think I really only need the trail and stop so I can see, and I will keep it on so that I can see the colors of the bars change, and I want to see the level in which the colors would change on the bars, but I don't think I need the actual level there anymore. I don't. Yeah, I don't think I need that. Because I do still want to see when the minor trend changes, just like I still want to see when the overall trend bias changes. I need to see that. I don't know, we'll see. I'll probably keep it on for the rest of the week, but I'm pretty sure I don't do anything with it anymore. I don't know. I'm not taking a buy here. We pulled down too far. Good morning, Christian. You bought a 90% off an hour ago, so when the hell does it end? Good morning, Traderist Chick. I see you in Nutty Stream, right? I think. Pretty sure. Adaptation is part of... when does the 90% off end? Oh, goodness. I don't keep up with anything. I'm pretty sure it's just because I don't ever take advantage of promos ever, so. Alright, let's search for 90% in my email. Did I put the wrong date on there? I feel like I saw that in the YouTube video or something, because they didn't put it in the email, I don't think. I don't remember. 90% off. 90% off. Oh, it says 90% off, and yeah, it says it ends Monday night. Cause what the hell? 2 more days on the 90% off. Oh, see, I don't ever be going on the website. That's the problem. Okay, so let's throw the 90% back up there, and I'll just have to change the date. Did they extend it at some point or something? Because in the video it says May 20th. Unless that had to do with whatever percentage was off for the 250. Listen, I don't know. Some of their stuff is just, it just confuses me. Stop running so many damn promos at the same time. I can't keep up. All right. So if it's 48 hours from now. And why does it end in 2 days and 48 minutes? That means that it would end like in the middle of the day. Huh? That means it would end at 11 o'clock in the morning on the 23rd. Is that not weird? Am I tripping? You know what? Stop thinking, KeAmber. Just stop thinking. Because I don't understand. It ain't even ending when the market closes. It's ending in the middle of the day. Whatever. I don't make the rules. I just follow them. Did it change just now? All right, it changed automatically. Watch the extended to the end of the month. I wouldn't be surprised. I saw this. Somebody shared the tweet from, I think this is the owner of My Forex Futures. My Forex Futures. Girl, what? My Funded Futures. Where did it go? I really don't understand the CEOs of these companies. Just shut up and eat your food. I will truly never understand increasing prices by 70% just to offer 80% discounts 365 days a year. Are customers really that susceptible to seeing a $50 product and an $800 product discounted to $50 and buying the discounted one? That's where the industry is right now. Sir, please shut up. And they took a screenshot from the My Funded Futures Discord, I think it was. They had made some huge announcement, right? And mind you, this is the closing paragraph. It says, we may not have the biggest discounts, we may not have the most flashy promotions, but I can assure you we are focusing on the long-term vision. Catch this part. It's been an absolute pleasure, and myself and the team are looking forward to many more months of success. Not years, months. That sounds like a Freudian slip to me. Because ain't no long-term vision many more months, period. Hold on, guys. I got a phone call. All right, guys. Sorry, that was a really important phone call that I needed to take. I got the phone call yesterday, and then my phone died right as I answered it. So, okay. Let's see. He sent me an email. Already have. I wish to add this. Click add this connection. All right. Sorry, guys. Okay, and so when they decide they've run through enough pockets, Apple checks. The MFF and TS taking pot shots at each other, at other companies for no reason. Yeah, it just turns me off. I tell you guys all the time. For me, if you have to take shots at other people in order for you to get people to want to even use your products, I guess you could say, I'm just not interested. I'm just not. I just feel like it doesn't take all of that. Either you have a great service or you don't. And that's just that. Per Discord, the 90% off ends Thursday night. Price for $250K ends May 31st. Okay. You lucky I can't relive. Oh, goodness. Girl, stay out my business. Okay, so yeah, I knew that they extended the is this gonna work? Wait, invitation code. You've chosen something other than. Yeah, so I know that it's invalid. How? Oh, okay. Well, that man lied to me. He told me my code was something totally different. Anyway, um, I know that they extended the 250 to the end of the month since they were having so many issues with the trade of 8 delays and stuff. What? Did they even take my blood pressure? I don't remember that. Oh wait, I don't want to do that. I don't even remember them taking my blood pressure, y'all. Matter of fact, I know she didn't take my blood pressure. Why they add my blood pressure in here? And they definitely didn't take my temperature either. What? I know for sure they did not take. All right, whatever. I'm like looking. I went to the doctor on last Monday, and because I went for like it wasn't really a wellness check. I was just getting my blood drawn and stuff. So I'm like looking at my results, and I'm just like, y'all didn't even take my blood pressure or my weight or anything, because I know I'm not 181 pounds. So who results did y'all put in my portal? Because this is not me. I'm trying to think about my day that day. Yeah, I know for sure that they didn't. I don't know where this information comes from, but that ain't mine. All right. That's not my info. Oh, yeah. See, it's just adding a whole bunch of old stuff. I remember that was my blood pressure when I went to do my TB stuff when I had tuberculosis. I went to the doctor. I don't know if I told you guys. I think I did tell you guys about it. So I had went to start treatment, and because I'm a pretty healthy person and we don't have a lot of like active TB cases here, and because I had did some holistic treatment first, I went and I was just going to start the treatment, but he was like, well, no, since it's been a while since you had your positive results, let's just go ahead and test you again because you could have been borderline, but the first test that you took wouldn't tell us that. So I'm pretty sure my blood pressure that's in here is from that day because I remember my blood pressure being high because I had I don't really deal with white coat syndrome, what they call when your blood pressure is only high when you're in the doctor's office. I don't really deal with that, but because I was just so nervous and I was crying and I really did not want to get treatment, I was just super nervous, and I know that's why my blood pressure was high. And I do remember being 180 pounds then. I'm not no more. She lost weight, thanks. But yeah. So, but I'm only realizing that now because all of my blood work from that day, because they had to do a whole bunch of blood work to make sure that I could take the treatment in the way that they wanted me to, and to also figure out which treatment option was going to be best. And so all of my results from that day are showing up as May 20th and May 18th. So, and it wasn't actually that day because I didn't go to the doctor yesterday. So that's what that is. It's just showing me super old stuff. All right, cool. Wait, oh shoot, I almost did the wrong thing. But yeah. All right, let's see. I would need trying to see if I want to take this trade. We're at the overnight high. The problem is, I don't know. Even though I know I always tell y'all at this moment, I just want to take the trades. I don't know if I want to take that one. Because I feel like buy at an overnight high. Oh, yeah, it works just fine. Yeah, if this pushes up, I'll probably take it. Well, if things show up the way I want it to. And let me hold on, y'all. Hold, please. Save that. Hold on, guys. All right. Oh wait, no, click the wrong button. And I need to email this to myself. Oh yeah, we do have 10:45 news. Okay. right. I've been knee deep in my ancestry since Sunday. I'm fascinated by the rolling stone that was my great grandfather. Listen, I didn't find out. Well, let me say this. My granny used to always tell me stories about how, she knew her daddy was a cheater. Because women would call the house and stuff like that. And she would get in trouble because she was the only girl. So, of course, she was super protective of her mom. So she would get in trouble and be told to stay in the child's place, shit like that. But we didn't really find out that he had other kids until my great grandma passed away. So, and she passed away probably, I don't know, if my grandpa passed away 9 years ago, she probably passed away like maybe 11 years ago or something. So then my granny found out that she was not the only girl. Well, I mean, she was the only girl out of her parents. She's one of 8 kids. But yeah, they found out that they had siblings that literally grew up down the street. And she has a sister and all of that. And I think one of them showed up to my great grandma's funeral, which I felt like was super disrespectful because why is you here? But anyway, I remember that I was like, who is that? They said that that's y'all brother. My granny was like, that ain't my brother. Now she calls him her brother. But initially when she first found out, baby, let me tell you, that's a nice, nasty lady right there. Okay. But yes, my great grandpa was a mess. A hot mess. Yeah. Make sure you ask them to destroy the sample that you gave them. What are you talking about? Indices may be going for London highs. I think the world could use a clone or two of me. I don't know, Apple. You know what? They can. Just don't bring them to the stream. I can't take more than one of you in the stream. Please. So we did go ahead and test the London high. However, we immediately rejected. So, and you know what? Oh yeah, that's why I didn't take it. I was like, I think I just sat out of a loss, but I didn't. It closed on that yellow line, which is what I didn't want. I wanted to see it close above it. So I really want to see. Here we go. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see us pull down a little bit and kind of reject around here. Let's see what happens. Or we can reject at my major level at 741. Doesn't really matter. But I want to definitely see somewhat of a rejection. Somewhere around here. I gotta use the bathroom again. Let's see, 47.23. Wait, did I say regular and inside? Okay. We'll probably need to see a little bit of a stall. If price rejects here and pushes up, I'll need to see like somewhat of a stall. Somewhere above 47.25. Okay, that's kind of what I'm looking for. 47.25. As long as we start pushing here, I'll enter the buy. I gotta use the bathroom so bad. Damn. All right. Well, we got a new rotation level that painted here, which kind of sucks. So if we don't reject immediately here, which it looks like we might be, I do have to break even once we get to that rotation level. I hate when those paint when I'm in a damn trade. Stay away. I don't think we got enough steam to push through. I was hoping that the VWAP kind of held us there. Now the point of control was right at 47.25, so I probably should have stayed out unless the point of control got a little bit higher than that, because that's like the exact price that I wanted it to be at, but we'll see. Maybe we don't continue to reject. We're like rejecting off of a level that I have at 51.75 from stopping me out. Just having a little bit of trouble pushing through. All right, there's the break even. It is what it is. Let me go use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Dang it. So I'll probably go get him a little balloon or something and a little gift and take it over there maybe today or tomorrow or something. Alright, I'm back. Sorry. And this right here is why I like to break even when the rotation level paints while I'm in the trade. You guys see what would have happened. I would have lost if I stayed in the trade. So we'll take the break even. I will take it. All right, so you and I can't deny it. Talking, baby. Good morning, Crypto Panda. How are you? Poor Nutty is having a tough day. Ticked out twice today. No bueno, no bueno. I need to open up streams. I was so discombobulated this morning trying to rebuild my freaking charts that I didn't even open up any streams. Ooh. Is this copyright free? That looked like that might be a nice little vibe of music. It's not copyright free though, I don't care. Wait, why is YouTube changing things? Why does it look like this? All the music and artwork you see and hear on this channel are our creations and protected by copyright and unapproved uses and no-go. Well, that's that. Bye. Yeah, being shot to the ticket is no fun, especially when it happens multiple times in one session and you like, market, do you hate me? If you hate me, just say that. Just say that. YouTube changed something with the layout, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay. Oh shoot, I'm tripping. Am I tripping? I think so. I think I was supposed to be in that trade, you guys. Yeah, there was no change. Oh, actually, I was not. Can we get back up there and break even? Please. Okay. Yes, get out. I think I was supposed to be out of that. I don't really know. It's just the way that this bar right here kind of reacted off of some levels. I think I was not supposed to be in it. So we're just going to get out of it. If it wins, that's fine. But I'm pretty sure. That might be a little bit different. I don't know. I'm trying to learn how I want to use this indicator again. I'm basically switching from the Solar Wind from Ninja back to the Trend Magic from Trade Devils. I kind of like the Trend Magic from Trade Devils a little bit more because it paints like a band, a zone or whatever. And yeah, y'all, I really can't tell if I was supposed to stay in that or not. So we'll just keep it at that. But yeah, I like it a little bit more. I'm going to switch it so that you guys can see. And this is why I said I don't really think I need my minor level anymore. The Solar Wind, let me take that off and put the Trend Magic on instead. The charts might freeze a little bit. Okay, yeah, that would have ended up in a loss. And it's exactly why I was thinking. Yeah, so it creates like this banded zone basically, and I kind of prefer that. And so the reason why I didn't, this buy was just fine. However, because of the way that it reacted off of the bands right here, how like it wicked off the top and closed on it like that, that's why I didn't really want to be in that buy. Now, if we would have reacted a little bit lower, I still wouldn't have wanted to be in it. Like, I just didn't want to see the previous bar do this. Now, if the previous bar just wicked off the bottom or something, fine, but not like that. So that was the issue with that particular trade. Thank goodness for discernment. All right, let me go look at people's. Oh, at least he's still green though. How many ticks is he? Oh, okay. So he's doing a 1-to-1, 40 ticks now. Alpine. Okay, I really don't like this new YouTube layout. Okay, wait, maybe it's my computer. Maybe it's... Let me try again. Like, please don't tell me this is the new layout because it sucks. Oh, Nutty got off. This is so ugly. Do y'all's YouTube look like this on your computers? Where it has like all these videos? This is newer. This did not used to be like that. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Alright, my niece got an award for honor roll. I asked her if she would be my tutor. She said no, we're definitely related. So your niece has your level of petty. Yeah, he had enough for today. Look, getting shot to the tick twice, that'll do it for you. Is that the homepage? No, that's how it looks now when I go to, I clicked on subscriptions and then I opened up everyone's stream and this is how everybody's stream looks. Why does it look like that? I don't like it. Not my own video popping up. Yeah, I don't mean no likey. All right, no buy here. We'll see what a sell is looking like, and we pushed too far for the sell. Or did we? I think it's different when it touches that. My best friend is a stupid fool. He's such a troll. Dang, y'all, it's almost 11 o'clock already. Ay, ay, ay. But you know what? For 2 days of experimenting, only being down $100 yesterday, and being basically break even today, I'll take that. For the first 2 days of experimenting, I will take it. And remember, my very first trade that I took was actually invalid. I wasn't looking at the position of where my trade was at the time. So, you know what? I can dig it. I can dig it. Almost made a mistake right there. But I can deal with that. Hold on, I need to look something up real quick. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right, that's right. Applejacks, does your YouTube not look like that? I don't know what's wrong with it. It looks so ugly. I hate it. And see, I'm the type of person where I get distracted. So I'll be down here looking, and next thing you know, I'm clicking this video and clicking that video. Like, please don't distract me. Because those videos used to be on the right-hand side to the right of the chat. And then below it would be, you know, the description of the video and stuff like that. So I don't know what changed. I don't know. Why is your name Jackie Lititz? What? Why? Yeah, this new layout fucking sucks because it even shows that way when I'm on regular videos, not just lives. Did I not watch this video already? Oh, it looks like I started and I stopped. I'll watch it later. It's Nutty's summary from yesterday. I thought I watched it. I must have been in the middle of it and stopped to do something. All right, we got 3 minutes left. Highly doubt I get a trade in, because in the next 3 minutes I would need price to pretty much push up to the overnight high, which I highly doubt it does, but we'll sit and wait. How many trades did I take today? Oh, why isn't it showing? Why must you piss me off? I took 4 trades, a win, a loss, and 2 break-evens. And I won't really be able to go through the charts like that because I know the zigzags are messed up since I did have to reload the charts. So I won't be able to really do a full, well, I might be able to. I might. I'll probably just wait till right after midnight and do like the full look at the markets for today to make sure I didn't miss any trades besides when my charts was frozen. Those don't count. But like I said, I think I only missed one, to be honest with you, which is no biggie. But yeah, y'all, I think I am gonna like this way of trading. We'll see long term, but I think the change will be good. Oh shit, I forgot to enabled, remove. And there's the session ending. All right, let me take a screenshot of my accounts dashboard so I can show you guys. Not much to see here. Like I said, I took 4 trades, win loss 2 break evens, and this is where we're at with it. Oh, please don't. Okay, there we go. So still have almost $700 left in drawdown in the one account that I'm trading for this week. We'll see how I feel going into the last little part of the week to see if I'll add number 22 in or not. What I'll probably end up doing is just only trading number 17 this week, kind of figuring out if there's any tweaks that I need to make, and then next week going ahead and adding 22 and 23 and going from there. Just because, like I said, I'm really trading the same way. The only thing that I've changed is what volume I'm looking at. You know, instead of looking at the volume of the swings and the reversal bars, instead just looking at the point of control in the reversal bars that I'm looking to enter off of. So because my strategy didn't change like significantly, I feel comfortable going ahead and starting to copy trade the other evals. Of course, I'm not going to do my PAs or my PA at this point yet, but yeah, so that's kind of like my game plan for the rest of the week, and we'll just kind of go from there. But yeah, so sorry I was late today again, but I'll be on time tomorrow because I'm going to make sure that my charts are not effed up this time. But I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.